Now, U.S. stocks, they're seen opening lower on Thursday, heading back towards the lowest levels of the year ahead of the release of the latest inflation and growth data out of the United States. The bounce off of this year's lowest levels yesterday, followed by the Bank of England intervening in the bond market in order to support the British pound, while also trying its best to prevent contagion into the other markets. But adding to worries, Moscow announcing that Russia will formally annex 4 more areas of Ukraine on Friday. This after referendums in the regions condemned by Ukraine and the U.S. was deemed invalid. Meanwhile, in the forex market, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That's under pressure and in focus as the pair is under pressure below its horizontal resistance at 0.9690 and challenging its 50-period moving average. So short positions below 0.9690 are favored with targets at 0.9630 and 0.96 in extension. The British pound US dollar pair, that's trading under pressure, while the US dollar Japanese yen pair that happens to see the upside prevail. Meanwhile, in the Bitcoin dollar pair intraday, the downside does prevail for the pair as long as 19,660 is the resistance. The pivot point 19,660, preferring the downside as long as 19,660 is the resistance. Meanwhile, in precious metals, gold sees the bias remain bullish, and that's in focus as gold is pulling back on its support at 1640 and challenging its 50-period moving average. So long positions above 1640 are favored with targets at 1655 and 1663 in extension. This while silver intraday has its support 1850 a troy yen.